Struggling to catch every word on your favorite TV show? The TV Ears Inc. 5.0 headset promises a clearer, more immersive audio experience by blocking out distracting background noise. Its innovative 5.0 slide-on ear tips are designed to fit snugly and comfortably, creating a sealed chamber that sharpens the television sound directly to your ears. What sets these ear tips apart is their advanced foam material that molds perfectly to your ear's shape. This means you not only get enhanced clarity but also comfort during extended viewing sessions. Changing the ear tips is hassle-free. Just slide off the old ones and slide on a fresh pair. Plus, each package includes a full year's supply of 8 individual ear tips, so you're covered for months without needing to reorder. Maintaining optimal sound quality matters. Over time, ear tips can collect wax and dirt, which muffles the sound and reduces the headset's effectiveness. Experts recommend swapping out your ear tips every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your audio crisp and your ears hygienic. While the foam itself lasts a long time, regular replacement ensures you always enjoy the best performance possible. One satisfied user shared how the TV Ears headset helped his wife hear TV audio clearly without needing a hearing aid. She appreciates the easy replacement of ear tips when they wear out, and he enjoys listening at lower volumes. It's a simple solution that makes watching TV more enjoyable for everyone in the household. If you're ready to upgrade your TV listening experience, the TV Ears Inc. 5.0 headset with its comfortable, noise-blocking ear tips is worth a look. It's designed to deliver clearer sound and lasting comfort, with easy maintenance built right in. Try it when you're ready to hear every detail and enjoy your shows like never before.